To some more labor-related matters, all is not well in the local security industry as scores of guards are now out of a job. We are not able to say the exact figure, but it's understood that a number of security guards attached to a particular company have not signed their new contracts now. Some of them staged a protest at the Ministry of Labor today. Anthony Lugg reports.
Security guards had been looking forward to April 1 as it marked new beginnings. Their employment status officially changed from independent contractors to employees. The process has been anything but smooth. Many of them are now on the unemployment line because they refused to sign their contracts. They took their frustration to the Labor Ministry Thursday.
Now the first thing on it, you cannot be working with a company for 10, 15, 25, 30 odd years. And still they want to put you on 3 months probation. And during that 3 months, they can let you go at any time. And when they let you go, you're not going to get nothing at all.
And I work with the company for 27 years, from the 6th of March, 1996, up until this morning when they told me I should not take up duty tomorrow morning. And when I asked them why, they said because I do not sign the contract. I said to them this morning, then if I'm not with you anymore, you need to give me my official letter of dismissal. They said no.
That's what they said.
They said no, and I don't think that is right. Look at my ear. I am gray. I am 64-year-old. Next year, I'm 65. And when next year come, what do you think they're gonna do with me? Send me home on my yard. Them is a wicked set. We don't deserve this.
But that's not all.
I hereby confirm that I have no pending claims, proceedings or dispute with you of any nature whatsoever, and that I waive any claims or disputes that I could have. I unconditionally release and discharge you from all past liabilities to the full extent possible under law. That is why we are here, because the guards are saying if they sign this, the years of service, the vacation leave, those who get injured on the job and have pending claims, etc., etc., all of that gone.
President of the Union Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees, Vincent Morrison, says he was hoping to participate in a meeting which at the time of the protest was in progress at the Labor Ministry, but he was barred. He believes some of the terms outlined in the contract are unjust, stressing that the ministry must intervene to protect the interests of the workers.
We put together a steering committee comprising 11 workers from across the industry. We'll be meeting with those workers at 5 o'clock this afternoon, along with our legal representative, Mr. Leonard Green.
We've been unsuccessful in our attempts to get an update from the Ministry of Labor on the outcome of Thursday's meeting. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.